Gas and oil prices continue to come down after the two countries announced the deal, but how much farther will they go?
Our colleague, NBC Connecticut political reporter Mike Savino, asked some experts. He joins us now. And Mike, what did they tell you about this?
Yeah, Amber and Kevin, and you've just been laying out how they've actually been coming down for weeks in anticipation of a deal, and now the U.S. and Iran say it's finally here. But even if it is finalized on Friday, there are plenty of hurdles that still have to be cleared before things can finally return to normal.
So don't get too excited about prices falling really fast. I don't think that that's going to happen.
The U.S. and Iran say they have a tentative deal to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. But the group representing gas stations and oil suppliers says we'll likely need months before prices return to pre-war levels. Oil prices were down Monday. AAA says the average price for gas was $4.22 a gallon in Connecticut, down 42 cents from a month ago. That's still up more than $1 from last year. And it's all based on anticipation of the U.S. and Iran signing this deal. Ships will then need time to deliver the oil to the rest of the world. And according to experts, that's what will cause prices to return to normal.
We've already received some of that relief in advance of it signing. So if it does get signed and oil starts to move, it's going to take months to actually return to something close to normal.
Inflation has also been high, in part because of the cost of oil and gas. Experts are concerned that prices at the grocery store won't come down as quickly as they will at the pump, in part because of tariffs and other issues.
Inflation may not go down significantly over the next few months, and historically speaking, when inflation goes up, it does not necessarily go down.
Of course, this all hinges on the two sides signing the deal. One expert says the U.S.'s oil reserves are getting dangerously low, and without an agreement, customers could face gas shortages this summer.
I don't know how the government would react to it, but I would say that that it would have been noticeable, that action would have had to have been taken.
Now, of course, as prices continue to fall, people will likely feel that savings in their gas tanks first, because we are entering the summer travel season, and most people likely won't need to refill their oil tanks until the fall. In fact, some people might find that the price for their next refill will be essentially in line with whatever tank they got back in the spring. Live from New Britain, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News.